So how do we use gaps to our advantage? And because they can be a really terrific trading opportunity for sure. And the key is to differentiate between what is a common gap and an uncommon gap. So let's look at those here very briefly. A common gap is something that can occur in a trending or non-trending prices, so it can occur in either one. And a common gap doesn't change the trend or start a new trend. It's common, nothing's really going on. There's a gap, yes, but it's not going to make a big difference. It's not going to change the trend or start a new trend. Those are the things we're really watching for. It's simply noise, nothing's going on. It might be a little flutter up or something like that because of some announcement or a rumor or something happens. And a lot of times when you see these common gaps that are not impactful, it occurs when the trading volume is low, right? There's less people trading, so there's not a lot going on. So a good way you can kind of verify if something might be a common or uncommon gap is look at those volume levels. If the volume levels are low, very good chance it's a common gap versus something that an uncommon gap we're going to talk about next where it's very significant. A common gap would be something that's not significant. So if that volume is high and there's a gap, then you might have something that's real significant, which is the uncommon gap. And that could lead to a big price rise or fall in the next coming time periods, like days, in the next coming days. So an uncommon gap is a significant event that is occurring that may impact the pricing trend and provide a great trading opportunity. So we're really looking for is uncommon gaps. And there's 4 key ones to really look at. And those are breakaway gaps, runaway gaps, exhaustion gaps, and island reversals. So the next lessons, we're going to go through each of those individually and show you how to watch for them, how to recognize them, and then how to trade on them, to make some profits off of these types of gaps that can occur.